I didn't plan on making this video until I pulled all of this packing stuffing out of this new backpack I just got. So this is the TUMI Alpha 3 line. This is specifically their brief pack, and I've been traveling a lot. Taipei, Taiwan, I'm going to Malaysia, I was just in Canada, and so I've been searching for a long time for the perfect travel backpack for all my tech gear, you know, cameras and clothing and shoes and all that stuff. This may just be it. So let's get into this. Of course, I like using a stick for scale. So height-wise, this is about 17 inches tall. It is about 12 inches wide and 8 inches deep. So it's got plenty of space inside, and it's very deceptive because next to my bulging muscles, this actually isn't too big, but it's like a TARDIS. If you don't know what that is, then just unsubscribe. But if you do, like and subscribe and share. So it has a nice deep pocket in the front here with extra pockets for, you know, business cards or like whatever else you want to put in there. A zipper pocket too, that's very deep, and this front pocket is like demonetized. And the top pocket here, this is also very deep as well. So you can put like a full camera, like Alpha camera in here, Sony RX100 Mark VII, which I'm filming with right now. Yeah, you can put a lot in here, and these pockets are like very sealed. Like I think they're basically waterproof for the most part, or water resistant. So if you put something in here that has a lot of condensation, it'll protect everything else just fine. So these side pockets are also very deep, and it has that same type of like water resistant material in here. So I absolutely love that. It's the same on both sides as well, just like very deep. Slightly different material on this side compared to that side. This is fantastic because of how much room this actually has. So then we're going to get onto the laptop side. Now it does say 15-inch laptop. I think you could probably squeeze something a little bit more robust in here, but this is nice because it's very padded to protect both sides of the laptop, the top and the bottom, obviously. Very cushiony on all the sides. So let's stick a big laptop in here and see what happens. This right here is the Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8, and it's a big laptop. Stay tuned for my full review. It is bigger than a 15-inch laptop, and it fit in this with a few inches to spare. So yeah, basically try it on yourself, because we all know that laptops have their own dimensions. This thing is like a 16-inch, fitting perfectly. I'm sure some 17 inches with like the wide screens will fit very nicely in this as well. So just kind of go to the store and try it out. TUMI stores are everywhere, but I love this padding that it has. They actually call this TUMI Pass, checkpoint friendly. So yeah, great for traveling. But then of course you can put extra stuff in here if you want, but yeah, use it as you like. Then this section right here is where you're gonna dump a ton of stuff. Like, look at all that space in here. That's actually pretty darn crazy. So you have added pockets right here for other tablets if you want, more right here for more tablets. So you have like two big sleeves right here, or even put a laptop there if you like to. Then additional kind of smaller pockets for business cards, or, you know, little smaller things too, pens obviously. And in these small pockets right here, I would probably put, you know, like chargers or something like that too. Then the open space, I mean, you could easily put a weekend's worth of clothing in here, at least I can. Yeah, this is definitely like 3 days-ish of clothing, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this very shortly. I did use another backpack on a recent trip. It was big, it fit everything, but wasn't as stylish and wasn't as tech friendly as this is going to be. You can even have TUMI, you know, put some like initials on here if you want. They have a service for that on their website. It has the nifty little, hey, I lost my bag and here's my contact info type of thing here too. Man, Taipei, Taiwan was humid. Love the city. Barely wanted to come back to LA. I didn't want to come back to LA, but I came back. But it was humid. That was like the only real downside. So the backpack that I did have had this same type of material. I absolutely love it. It kept my back nice and dry as best as possible in that humidity. Plus, it has that open area too, so you can slide it right on your, you know, roller handle type of luggage that you may have. Then these also just kind of slide in as well to keep things nice and neat, so you can just hold it by the top too. So I'm absolutely loving this backpack. I can't wait to use it on my next trip. TUMI did a great job on it. This is about 3.3 pounds, and it is a really nice, tough nylon. Like, you're gonna have to work hard to scuff this up or scratch it, slice it, or anything like that. I think they call it a ballistic nylon. I'm not gonna test it with any type of ballistics, but I'm really happy with this. So when I do put it on, I'll show you what it looks like from behind. There you go. Slide it on, boom. So I definitely like the feel, I like the curvature of these as well. Very comfortable. It has the nifty little handle, so if you have those water bottles, just kind of clip on, or whatever else that you need that clips on, that's there for you, as well as extra kind of holders right here for clips. So when you're traveling, you find different uses for these. I definitely had multiple uses for these. And yeah, just easy to take off. So this is definitely my new backpack of choice right now. The TUMI Alpha 3 line is really nice because you can get matching like roller luggage with it, as well as briefcase style, and this, they all match. And like I said, this does come in like 3 different colors, and they have various styles of this as well. Some that actually open up in the bottom, you can just slide in some shoes too, which is kind of cool. So thanks for watching. I'll let you know about a long-term review about this, but with this material and craftsmanship, I'm pretty confident this will go the distance. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.